A new day, a new experiment, and here we have a mixer, a mixing table. This is a Soundcraft EFX12, and here I have my TC-Helicon. What I'm trying to do is to connect this one to the mixer like an external effect. So then we can have a really nice control about voices and about levels, you know, the input and the outputs. And for that we need a lot of cables. First, this is the, let's call it the PA output to the power amplifier. In my case, I'm going to my sound card. Let's give it a try. First, we have a microphone. Let me take channel 1, gain. Hey, yeah, yes, of course. We have signal there, I can see it. Let me hear the amplifier. Hey, yeah, testing, of course. Testing. Oh, it's too much for. What do we need? As you can see here, we have the microphone on channel 1. We should have a cable, let's say from auxiliary 1. This is a send from this channel, goes to the microphone in. So I need a TRS to XLR male, like that. Let's build the proper cable. Evidently that's a shielded cable. Okay for our purpose here. Hot, it's here on this pin. Okay, that's pin number 2, right? The ground is on pin number 1. Okay, so that should be the input into the effect, the power supply to TC-Helicon. I'm not sure, you know, I have a lot of stuffs around here, but anyway, let's check that because this is something interesting. You have to be really careful. You see the adapters for TC-Helicon are all the way around. I mean, plus it's outside and minus it's inside. The usually adapters are with plus inside. But let's take a look with my multimeter. We should have red, which means plus outside. Yes, this is perfect. So be careful. For TC-Helicon, the adapter is with plus outside. Okay guys, like a kind of rule, don't connect cables with the machines on. So I'll just take the power off from TC-Helicon. This is just an improvisation, but that's the way the cable it should be. Let's power it on now. And there we go. Of course we got signal. You see? And it's a lot of signal here. I'm using the send in. Look at this LED. This is more than enough. Okay? We got signal to TC-Helicon. Very clear. Now, let me connect TC-Helicon to the mixer with those two cables. Now I don't have to turn it off because anyway this is connected in between, so the earth and ground and all the other stuffs are already connected. Let's take 2 of these cables. Okay, right, and we should go to gain down 11 and 12 for returning TC-Helicon. And recording. I'm recording on my multitrack here, you can see it, left and right. We should hear the return signal from the TC-Helicon. Okay, this one is coming from TC-Helicon. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Let's have some equalizer here. Okay, what we have to do now, because we already have the voices, we have to do something, because we don't need the main voice. So now from setup we have to take the lead off. So setup, page 1, page 2, down here, lead mute off, lead mute on. Okay, so now I have the microphone very normal on channel 1. You can hear the sound of the microphone here, okay? And here on channel 11 and 12, I have the returning signal from TC-Helicon. That's the TC-Helicon. Let me lower a little bit this one, because we are going too hot. This is TC-Helicon, and if I push the effect now, we only have voices in these two channels, okay? Of course, combined with only the voice. Hey, yeah, and only the harmony now. Of course, I can't take this off because I need it to run the effect. Probably there is a way to mute and to have only TC-Helicon voices, only this one. Okay, so this is very clear. Now we have on channel 1 the microphone having these voices. I'm closing the auxiliary, it's only the microphone, simple. Getting signal to TC-Helicon, and I got the voices. And not only this, you can do the voices up as hot as you like. So now the voices are really, really scary loud. You see? So the volume now, it's not depending, sorry for these ups and downs, you know, but the volume anyway, it's not depending of the harmony, you know, mix here, which by the way is too hot. Let's put it down a little bit. As you can see, I got no delay or reverb. We can use that too. Let's see, I can use that. Oh yeah, you can use that only for reverb. If I'm pressing this, it's only the voice, the clean microphone bypass the effect. Okay, but I don't need that because now we are experimenting only with these harmonies, and there we go, and there we go. But this is something funny. I still have the lead voice even if I took it off. That's very clear. Why? Because on the effects, which is the micro mode for sure, and yeah, you see, now it's only the voices. Only the voices. Hey, da ba 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 ba. Only the voices, yeah. So, be careful, because it's very possible one of the effects in the chain, in my case it was the micro mode clone, was on, and obviously it was passing my main voice, let's call it, to the mix, to the effect mix. Okay, there we go. Okay, next step, I'm gonna record some vocals here, and we'll play it to another channel to fake a second voice. That's G. Pa pa pa. Va va pa va fa. I'm the second voice, obviously, to the channel 2. Oh yeah, yeah, the second voice on channel 2. It's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2. I am channel 2 with the second voice, like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. I want to loop this recording. Okay, we need a cable now. Something like this. Alright. And we can plug in the recorder for the second voice. We don't need any stereo because it's just a microphone. Output, please. Channel 2. I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, yeah,
Closing
yeah,
the voices
yeah,
on channel 1.
And channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down.
And now I am turning to you, voice number 1. Yes, and I'm putting the voices from the auxiliary. Hey, oh, going to channel 2.
Microphone already passing. The voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. Turning now. TC-Helicon on channel 11-12. Okay, let me have some delay and reverb. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone already passing. The voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like
Passing to channel 1, here I am, channel 1. If I want to have channel 2, it's coming up
now. Yeah, 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 yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like
the channel 1, it's only, here I come,
down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right. You see, I think it's very clear what I'm trying to say. What we need, it's a TRS to XLR male connector. You send the signal from auxiliary output to TC-Helicon. The output goes to separate channels here, left, right. You can have your own equalizer, cutting bass or having some higher frequencies and stuff like that. If the signal from the channel is too hot, like I'm here right now, okay, let me have the reverb out. Okay, you see, if the signal up here it's too hot, then you have the gain control. I'm usually having a tape because you can touch that with your foot. When I'm playing guitar, it's happening, and you just take the gain out until we have a proper signal level. This is too much already. Doesn't let it go to red, but anyway, that's the way the things are running.
Voice is on. I can hear my voice is very nice. Channel 1, yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone, already bassing, the voice is down. Voice on channel 2, it's coming now, yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone, already bassing. Channel 1 now, channel 1 now. So let's say we are two vocalists now, two, one person coming. If you just want to have it on channel 2, turn the voices on, auxiliary off to 0 on channel 1, or if you want to have just channel 1, turn the other ones back. You got it? That was the main voice, of course. I am channel 2 with the second voice like a microphone, already bassing, the voice is down. That's it. On channel 2, it's coming now, yeah. Channel 2, I am channel 2 with the second. Okay, I think it's very clear. It's working, it's useful. You can use that. By the way, let me have my mic on. This is the mic. You can have it also for a very nice reverb and delay only. You can hear only the effects, so you don't have to use the effects here from the channel. You got it? There are a lot of ways to work with TC-Helicon VoiceLive Play, GTX in my case, but all of them are the same. It have to be the same. The point is, this is a very versatile effect. It can be used like a sound card. It can be used like general effect for the mixer. It can be used for voices like that, voices like that, and for many other things. You know, you have compressor, you have limiter, even pitch control. There is a pitch control which is marvelous. Where are you? It's right here, 33%. I'm using that a little bit once in a while, and that's it. I hope you understood the way the things are running here. It's very possible to use this machine connected to a mixer like an auxiliary effect. As you could see, it's marvelous. I never did that before, but you know, I was pretty sure it's working, and it's working great. You see, if you have any question, write them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer, and of course, if there is anything else I can help, don't hesitate, just ask me. By the way, like, subscribe, and of course, be creative, and most important thing, have fun. See you, bye bye.